Hey y'all, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be transforming this very messy space into my like entryway mudroom type area. So right now, as you can see, I just had like this shoe rack that used to be in a closet in my apartment, and just some other like miscellaneous stuff. So here's me clearing out all of this. Some of those shoes will end up staying down here, but that shoe rack, I think I sold that. I either sold it or I gave it away. I can't remember. Knowing me, I like making money, so I probably tried to sell it. And while I'm here, just go ahead and clean up the space, vacuuming and cleaning the mirror. So I got these shoe cabinets from Amazon, and I'm someone who does enjoy building furniture. That may sound weird, but I don't know, like I see it as a puzzle kind of. But with this, I will say that this was not my favorite thing that I've ever built, because there were just so many pieces, and they're labeled like by the alphabet, and like some of them are numbered, some of them are like named by the alphabet, and you see, oh wait, no, I'm wrong. They were all numbered, but it went like a really high number. That was the point I was trying to make. But I did not enjoy making these as much, just because there were so many pieces. So I had 2 of these, and the first one, it took like an hour and a half, I think, to finish that. And the second one, it took like an hour. So it always takes longer that first time, because you're trying to figure out like if you're doing it correctly. And I messed up multiple times and had to start over and like take something apart and start over. Also, if you see me like talking to myself in the video, I don't know if you can see the TV or if you've noticed it, but I'm listening to music and I'm singing. So I'm not crazy, I'm just singing. But money-wise, it cost $250 for these 2 shoe cabinets, which was higher than I remembered paying. But I went back and looked at my order, and yeah, that's what I paid. So it would have been just $150. But this, even though I got it on Amazon, it was not Prime. I had to pay like $80 for shipping, which in hindsight, I kind of wish that I'd try to find something else. But yeah, I ended up really liking them. I forgot that I spent this much money on it. So with putting them up against the wall, I'm trying to like figure out the right placement for them. And these shoe cabinets did come with something that you can like kind of mount it on the wall, or mount it on the back, mount the back to the wall. But the baseboards that I have made it so that I couldn't actually like do that. I couldn't mount them. And I figured like, it's just me living here. I don't have kids, no pets. You know, I'll just be cognitive or conscious of the fact that like, oh, these are not mounted up against the wall. So now I'm trying to figure out how to like stage things. I have this lamp, and since this is like at the back of the house, I wanted to have a lamp so that when I come home at night, it's not like I'm not coming into the darkness. And so this is like a touch lamp, and it has different settings. This is also from Amazon. And I'll put these things in my Amazon storefront if you want to check these out. But I have those lamps like all over my house. I have 2 in my bedroom, I have 1 here, and then I have 1 in the kitchen too. Let's see, what else? Hey y'all, so this is my entryway. So this is like the finished product. It's been like this for a little minute, so I think this is probably how I'll keep it. So I have my lamp here. It's not turning on. I think it's not turning on because I have it set on a timer. So it comes on at sunset every night. But then I have some mints for when I go out the door, and then some keys, which are like extra keys basically. My little plant here. This is my security system, and my real keys are right there, and then another plant. And so I don't know what is in here. Is it mail? Okay, yeah. I don't want you to see my address. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. But yeah, so each one of these has these little cubbies up front. So as you can see, I put mail, and then I have some sunglasses in here. And same thing over here. And then I have shoes. So they kind of fall around a little bit, but you should be able to fit 6 pairs in each of these. So, ta-da! See, they do fall a little bit, but I guess that's just the type of shoes that I have in here. Yeah, and those are socks that I probably need to wash. Okay. Ta-da! Shoes and more shoes. These shoes I keep up under just because they're really dirty, because those are the ones that I take outside to put the trash out. And yeah, it's muddy back there, so I don't want to put them inside the actual shoe cabinets. But yeah, this is the final result. So my office is right there, so I can like sit and kind of see myself if I need to. Eventually I'll be putting some actual artwork in there or some photographs in there, but for now I just have these pictures up until I can put my real photos in there. And yeah, so I do think that it's really cute. This is like the first thing that I got finished in the house that I think really captures the like mood and vibe that I'm going for. So I'm really proud of it. I've had this mirror for a very long time. This came from CB2, and I think I got this in 2019. It is an expensive mirror, so I'm not sure if I would buy this again. But if you've never bought mirrors before, mirrors are expensive. So this, I think, is around $400, probably. Yeah, it's definitely more like with tax. But I think it either is $400 or it's like over $400 before tax. So that was expensive. And then these are the 2 things that I got from Amazon. This is also from Amazon. I actually made this pot. I went to a pottery class, and I didn't make the pot, but I painted it. So I was very proud of myself about that. It has like this smooth interior, then this is like rougher on the outside. I did not make that. I bought that from somewhere a long time ago. And then I also painted this in that same pottery class. So I was very proud of myself. I left with like 5 pieces, and they're all randomly around the house. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, just like piece by piece by piece, I am turning the house into a home. So stay tuned for all the other rooms that I'll finish. See you next time. Bye.